don't change. You can leave your worries. Listen to the
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. I am back with another video. Today's hair is from Beaudiva. I do have their 613 blonde straight hair. I have 3 bundles of 20 inches and also a 18-inch lace closure. This is what the lace closure looks like, and I'm about to snatch her one out of that packaging and show you guys what she's looking like up close and personal. Fresh out the pack, I didn't have any shedding nor tangling. And this is just an up close and personal view of the bundle. It was nicely wefted and constructed. So we're gonna get right into the video. Okay. So for today's vision, it took me a couple of days just to come up with, an idea. Like I was totally unicorn inspired pastel colors. So the first color we're going to end with is Kiss Colors Temptations in the shade Platinum. So I'm using one full bundle to color it platinum because my whole theme in the beginning was a peekaboo, gray bob or platinum bob, not bob, wig. So I was gonna have color at the bottom and then, all gray, and you could just see, the color underneath. But it did come out that way, but it didn't, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so I'm just adding this hair into it and making sure it soaks up all the dye. This is my second round dyeing this same bundle, and I'm adding in that same platinum from Kiss Colors Temptations, and then I'm going in with the shade from Platinum from Adore. I noticed it had a blue purple undertone, and I know it was going to give me the streaks that I was looking for. So I was going for like a dark gray / silver look with purple and blue undertones, or highlights, if you want to say. I don't know, but I'm gonna just let you guys watch the rest so you can see what type of color I was going for. All right, so in this same water, I didn't change it at all. I just added more dye of both colors, and I put the closure right in, and it snatched up all that dye. Okay, sis, it was lit. Now with this hair, you don't have to worry about the lace staining. It did not stain at all. My lace was in perfect condition, not still exactly the same. Of course, it's a lighter color anyway, so it wouldn't be dark knots, but my lace was not affected whatsoever. Alright, so next we are going in with Vivid Violet by Kiss Colors. This is actually the second bundle. Split this bundle into half, so it's one full bundle, but I just cut it in half so I can have different colors, if that makes sense. So I'm also adding in Fiesta Future by Adore. And these two colors together, it was just a pretty shade of purple, and I just loved it. So like I said, I was trying to go for a pastel theme. I wanted everything to blend in with that silver, purple blue undertone look I was going for. So I did add more water than dye. It doesn't look like it, but when your hair is wet, the dye always looks darker. When it dries, it's always lighter. I also let the hair sit overnight in conditioner, a white conditioner, my Aussie conditioner, and it definitely, lightened up the hair even more. So that's how I got it, to look pastel-y. So also with this bundle, I did want to have an ombre effect. Off camera, I didn't show it, sorry. I just decided that last minute when I changed the color. So like I said, I split this in two. I didn't split it in two here, but off camera I did. At first I wanted an ombre color, which I still ended up with that. So I put more dye in and just put half of the lace in. I left that, pinky shades as is. I do end up putting the whole thing in there, but I wanted to make sure all the dye soaked up in the top half, not more so in the bottom half. So when I do split this, I leave one half of the wig this one color. But the second half of the bundle, I actually dyed the ends where the pink is, where I'm dipping in now. I actually dyed that an orange shade, which created a peachy shade. So I used Kiss Colors Express, I think it's called Marmalade Orange, to get that effect. And as you guys can see, here's the ombre. I have one of this exact color, and then the other half of the bundle was just that purple ombre with that peachy tone at the end, if that makes sense. I hope that's making sense. You guys will see later on the video. So this is the third bundle that I have. I'm using Purple Rain, and I'm gonna mix this with another shade. I think Vivid Violet. Is it called Vivid Violet? No, Intense Purple. There we go. Intense Purple by 𝚘𝚘 Sensation. So these two shades go hand in hand together. Again, I did split this bundle in half, and you guys will see the second half of the color that I do created. Like I said, more pastel colors. Here I'm gonna show you guys a tip. I didn't mix the dye well, and you guys can see the big clumps that is just sitting on the hair. Just take a denim brush and brush the hair through and stick it back in, and you will be all set to go. I just thought of that, and it actually worked, and I was like, yes. But it's just easier actually to just make sure everything's stirred in together. But if you do like I did, and didn't pay attention because the water is so dark, so you really can't tell what is mixed up, just use your denim brush and it would just brush right in. So this is the shade of purple that I was going for, and it was so freaking pretty. So this is the last bundle. Like I said, I split it in half, and I think it's called Poseidon or Poseidon. I don't know. But this is by Arctic Fox, and we just gonna mix this in together. And I was gonna mix in Baby Blue by Adore, but I don't remember if I did or not. No, I don't think I did. I just put all of this color in there because it made like a sky blue shade. It was so freaking pretty. But I'll let you guys finish because I've been talking, but hopefully you guys get my drift that where I'm going with this. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like when it's blow dried, and as you guys can see, the colors definitely came to fruition. What was not in my head actually came out in a wig. And I actually just did the quickly method, if that makes sense, on a wig. I just used the Salon Pro 30-second bonding glue, and I just created a wig using that. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray with the Beyond the Zone heating spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron her, and then we're gonna put her on our head. I really think the colors came out super duper great. I really love the vision, and I was super excited because I was like, this is so pretty. I got so many compliments on it. Everyone loved the wig, so I was super excited. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the hair. Also keep leaving suggestions of what colors you guys would love to see me do next. I keep note of them, so when I'm going in to create, I do have them in the back of my mind. Don't forget to check the description section as well. All information on this hair and the products and hair dyes that I use will be listed down there as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, or whatever. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.